Factors of production and their pricing. An in-depth examination of production factors and their impact on pricing mechanisms. This presentation will delve deeply into how different production factors influence the pricing of goods and services. It's like a promise of a thorough exploration of economic principles. Agricultural scene. The image of an individual with 2 oxen plowing a field visually represents the concept of production factors. Here is how. Labor. The individual represents human effort and skills. Land. The field symbolizes natural resources. Capital. The plow signifies tools and machinery used in production. Understanding the factors of production. This slide breaks down the essential resources needed for economic activities and pricing into 6 key sections. Here is a detailed look at each point. 1. Introduction to factors of production. This section provides an overview of what constitutes the factors of production and their significance. Essentially, these are the resources required to produce goods and services. Understanding these factors is crucial as they form the foundation of economic theory and practice. 2. Land, the natural resource. Land refers to all natural resources used in production, such as minerals, forests, and water. This section discusses the role of land in production, emphasizing its economic implications. For instance, fertile land can boost agricultural output, while mineral-rich land can support mining industries. 3. Labor, human effort. Labor involves the human effort used in the production process. This section examines how labor contributes to production, including the skills and dynamics of the workforce. Skilled labor can significantly enhance productivity and innovation within an economy. 4. Capital, tools and machinery. Capital includes tools, machinery, and buildings used in production. This section analyzes the importance of capital in production processes and its impact on efficiency. For example, advanced machinery can speed up production and reduce costs, leading to higher profitability. 5. Entrepreneurship, management and organization. Entrepreneurship is about managing and organizing the other factors of production to create value. This section highlights the role of entrepreneurs in driving economic growth and innovation. Entrepreneurs take risks to bring new products and services to market, often leading to job creation and economic development. 6. Pricing factors and economic impact. Finally, this section explores how these factors influence pricing and overall economic conditions. The interplay between land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship determines the cost of production, which in turn affects the prices of goods and services in the market. Each of these factors is interconnected, creating a complex web that drives economic activities and pricing. Understanding these relationships helps in making informed decisions in both business and policymaking. Land and production. The role of land in production. Understanding land's impact on production and pricing in 2024. Resource availability. Land provides essential resources like minerals, water, and arable land, crucial for various production processes. Land is like the treasure chest of nature, offering vital resources such as minerals, water, and fertile soil. These resources are the backbone of many production processes. Imagine trying to grow crops without fertile land or extract metals without mineral-rich soil. Production would come to a standstill. This point highlights how indispensable land is for sustaining various industries and our daily lives. Influence of location. Land pricing is significantly affected by its location and scarcity, impacting overall production costs. Location, location, location. Just like in real estate, the value of land is heavily influenced by where it is situated. Prime locations, especially those scarce in availability, command higher prices. This directly impacts production costs. For instance, setting up a factory in a bustling city center will be more expensive than in a rural area. This point underscores the economic principle of supply and demand, showing how the scarcity and desirability of land drive its price. Urban land pricing trends. In 2024, urban land prices are expected to rise by 5%, driven by increasing demand in metropolitan areas. Urban areas are the hotspots of development and growth. As more people flock to cities for better opportunities, the demand for urban land skyrockets. This trend is expected to continue in 2024, with urban land prices predicted to rise by 5%. This increase poses challenges for urban planning and affordability, making it a crucial point for policymakers and developers to consider. Economic impact. Land availability and pricing directly influence economic growth and the viability of production sectors. The availability and cost of land play a pivotal role in shaping the economy. When land is readily available and affordable, it fosters economic growth by enabling various production sectors to thrive. Conversely, limited or expensive land can stifle growth and make it difficult for industries to sustain themselves. This point connects the dots between land resources and the broader economic landscape, emphasizing the importance of strategic land management. Wage trends. Labor dynamics and pricing. Analyzing wage trends and influencing factors in various sectors. Title and introduction. Wage trends, labor dynamics and pricing. This title sets the stage for an analysis of how wages vary across different sectors and what factors influence these trends. Analyzing wage trends and influencing factors in various sectors. This subtitle indicates that the graph will provide insights into the reasons behind wage differences in various industries. Sector analysis. Technology sector. Average yearly wage, $90,000. The technology sector leads with the highest average wage. This high compensation reflects the demand for specialized skills and the rapid pace of innovation. Jobs in this sector often require advanced technical knowledge and continuous learning, which justifies the higher pay. Manufacturing sector. Average yearly wage, $60,000. Manufacturing offers a decent wage, though not as high as technology. This sector involves technical skills and experience but may not require the same level of specialized education as tech jobs. The wage reflects the balance between skill requirements and the physical nature of the work. Healthcare sector. Average yearly wage, $75,000. Healthcare professionals earn a substantial wage, highlighting the importance of their specialized knowledge and the critical nature of their work. The sector's wages reflect the need for extensive education and training, as well as the high demand for healthcare services. Retail sector. Average yearly wage, $40,000. Retail jobs often include a mix of part-time and full-time positions, which can lower the average wage. This sector typically requires less specialized skills compared to others, which is reflected in the lower compensation. Construction sector. Average yearly wage, $50,000. Construction work is physically demanding and may require specific skills or certifications. The wages in this sector are higher than retail but lower than technology and healthcare, reflecting the balance between skill requirements and physical labor. This graph provides a clear visual comparison of wages across different sectors, helping to understand how various factors like skill requirements, education, and job nature influence compensation. It can be a valuable tool for career planning or policymaking in labor economics. Capital overview. Capital, tools and machinery. Understanding the essential components of production capital. Types of capital. Explore physical, financial, and human capital, each playing a vital role in production. Physical capital, This includes tangible assets like machinery and tools that are essential for the production process. Think of these as the backbone of any manufacturing setup. Financial capital. This refers to the funds available for investment in capital goods. It's like the fuel that powers the engine of growth, enabling businesses to purchase necessary equipment and expand operations. Human capital. This represents the skills and expertise of workers. Imagine a highly skilled team that can operate complex machinery efficiently, maximizing productivity and effectiveness. 2. Interest rates impact. Interest rates significantly influence capital pricing, affecting overall production costs. Higher interest rates increase borrowing costs for capital, raising production expenses, similar to paying extra for cake ingredients, making the cake more expensive. 3. Financial capital. Financial capital refers to funds available for investing in capital goods, impacting growth potential. More funds mean more opportunities to upgrade equipment, improve efficiency, and expand. 1. Technology investments. In 2024, businesses will boost technology investment by 20%, enhancing efficiency. Upgrading to the latest software can streamline operations, reduce errors, and save time, similar to how a new smartphone simplifies daily tasks. Physical capital includes tools and machinery essential for manufacturing processes and operational efficiency. Physical capital, like tools and machinery, is vital for a business's daily operations. Without them, production would stop, as they are essential for keeping everything running smoothly. Human capital represents the skills and expertise of workers crucial for maximizing capital effectiveness. Skilled workers are invaluable, using their expertise to maximize the potential of machinery and tools, much like a chef creating a gourmet meal from basic ingredients. The infographic uses a chess theme to symbolize strategic investment in capital, with chess pieces representing different elements of investment strategy and decision-making in business. This creative approach helps simplify complex economic concepts, making them easier to understand. Entrepreneurial dynamics. The entrepreneur's role. Understanding the key responsibilities and considerations. Risk-taking and innovation. Entrepreneurs must embrace risk and innovate to stay competitive, often leading to breakthrough ideas. Entrepreneurs are like adventurers. They need to take risks and think outside the box to come up with new and exciting ideas. This willingness to innovate helps them stay ahead of the competition and can lead to groundbreaking products or services. Imagine if Steve Jobs hadn't taken the risk to innovate with the iPhone, our world would be quite different today. Pricing models and market strategies. Effective pricing strategies are crucial for profitability and market positioning, influencing consumer behavior. Setting the right price for a product is like finding the perfect balance. If it's too high, customers might look elsewhere. If it's too low, the business might not make enough profit. Effective pricing strategies help businesses attract customers while ensuring they remain profitable. Think of how discount stores attract budget-conscious shoppers, while luxury brands maintain high prices to create an exclusive image. Government policies impact. New tax incentives in 2020 could lead to a 15% increase in startup formations, making entrepreneurship more appealing. Government policies can significantly impact entrepreneurship. For instance, tax incentives can make starting a business more attractive by reducing the financial burden on new entrepreneurs. This can lead to a surge in new startups, as more people are encouraged to take the plunge into entrepreneurship. It's like getting a boost from the government to kickstart your business dreams. Organizing factors of production. Entrepreneurs organize labor, capital, and managerial resources to optimize production efficiency. An entrepreneur's role involves juggling various resources: labor, people, capital, money, and managerial skills to ensure everything runs smoothly. It's like being the conductor of an orchestra, making sure every instrument plays in harmony to create beautiful music. Efficiently organizing these factors helps in producing goods or services effectively and profitably. I hope this breakdown helps you understand the key responsibilities and considerations in entrepreneurship. Influencing factors. Additional factors influencing production. Understanding the role of technology, policies, and market dynamics. Technology. Rapid advancements in technology enhance efficiency. Impact on production. Increases production capacity and reduces operational costs. Imagine a factory that used to rely on manual labor for assembling products. With the introduction of advanced robotics and automation, the same factory can now produce more items in less time and with greater precision. This not only boosts the overall production capacity but also cuts down on labor costs and errors. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a high-speed train. Government policies. Regulations and incentives shape the production landscape. Impact on production can lower costs through subsidies or raise them with taxes. Think of government policies as the rules of a game. When the government offers subsidies or tax breaks for certain industries, it's like giving those players extra points or bonuses, making it easier and cheaper for them to produce goods. On the flip side, if the government imposes higher taxes or stricter regulations, it's like adding hurdles or penalties, making production more expensive and challenging. It's a balancing act that can significantly influence how companies operate. Market conditions. Supply and demand dynamics significantly affect production levels. Impact on production. Fluctuations can lead to variable pricing and availability. Picture a bustling marketplace where the availability and price of goods change based on how many people want them and how many are available. If a product is in high demand but short supply, prices go up, and producers ramp up production to meet the demand. Conversely, if there is an oversupply and not enough buyers, prices drop, and production slows down. It's a dynamic dance between supply and demand that keeps the market in motion. These factor technology, government policies, and market condition are like the gears in a machine, each playing a crucial role in driving production forward. Understanding them helps businesses navigate the complexities of the production landscape and make informed decisions. Market trends. Current market trends, 2024 overview. Analyzing the dynamics of land, labor, and capital pricing in 2024. This section is about understanding how the prices of land, labor, and capital are expected to behave in 2024. These three elements are crucial for the economy, and their pricing dynamics can significantly impact various sectors. Land price increase. This introduction is leading towards more precisely 5% increase. Urbanization drives up land prices, reflecting population trends, impacting future development and housing markets. Land prices are expected to rise by about 5%. This increase is mainly due to urbanization, which means more people are moving to cities. As cities grow, the demand for land increases, pushing up prices. This trend will affect future development projects and the housing market, making it more expensive to buy or develop land in urban areas. Labor cost stabilization. As demand for skilled labor positions are projected to register low, this impacts the need for companies to invest in workforce development and training. The cost of labor is expected to stabilize because the demand for skilled labor positions is projected to be low. This means companies might not need to spend as much on hiring and training new employees. However, it also highlights the importance of investing in workforce development to ensure that employees have the necessary skills for the future. Capital investment growth. With technological advancements, corporate profit modernization efforts. This growth highlights a trend towards technological progress and infrastructure improvements. Capital investments are expected to grow due to technological advancements and efforts to modernize corporate profits. This means companies are likely to invest more in new technologies and infrastructure improvements, which can lead to increased efficiency and profitability. This trend is a positive sign for the economy as it indicates progress and innovation. These points provide a snapshot of the economic trends expected in 2024, focusing on the pricing of land, labor, and capital. Understanding these trends can help businesses and investors make informed decisions. Market trends. Current market trends, 2024 overview. Analyzing the dynamics of land, labor, and capital pricing in 2024. This section is about understanding how the prices of land, labor, and capital are expected to behave in 2024. These three elements are crucial for the economy, and their pricing dynamics can significantly impact various sectors. Land price increase. This introduction is leading towards more precisely 5% increase. Urbanization drives up land prices, reflecting population trends, impacting future development and housing markets. Land prices are expected to rise by about 5%. This increase is mainly due to urbanization, which means more people are moving to cities. As cities grow, the demand for land increases, pushing up prices. This trend will affect future development projects and the housing market, making it more expensive to buy or develop land in urban areas. Labor cost stabilization. As demand for skilled labor positions are projected to register low, this impacts the need for companies to invest in workforce development and training. The cost of labor is expected to stabilize because the demand for skilled labor positions is projected to be low. This means companies might not need to spend as much on hiring and training new employees. However, it also highlights the importance of investing in workforce development to ensure that employees have the necessary skills for the future. Capital investment growth. With technological advancements, corporate profit modernization efforts. This growth highlights a trend towards technological progress and infrastructure improvements. Capital investments are expected to grow due to technological advancements and efforts to modernize corporate profits. This means companies are likely to invest more in new technologies and infrastructure improvements, which can lead to increased efficiency and profitability. This trend is a positive sign for the economy as it indicates progress and innovation. These points provide a snapshot of the economic trends expected in 2024. Focusing on the pricing of land, labor, and capital. Understanding these trends can help businesses and investors make informed decisions. Government policies. Impact of government policies on production. Key policy changes affecting factors of production in 2024. Launch of tax incentives for startups. New tax incentives introduced to stimulate entrepreneurship and innovation. The government has rolled out new tax incentives aimed at encouraging people to start their own businesses. Imagine you're an aspiring entrepreneur with a brilliant idea but worried about the initial costs. These tax breaks can significantly reduce your financial burden, making it easier to launch your startup. This move is expected to boost innovation and creativity in the market, leading to a vibrant ecosystem of new businesses. Implementation of labor market regulations. Regulations that modify wage structures to enhance labor rights and protections. This policy focuses on improving the working conditions for employees. By modifying wage structures, the government aims to ensure fair pay and better protections for workers. Think of it as a way to balance the scales between employers and employees, ensuring that workers receive their due rights and benefits. This can lead to a more motivated and productive workforce, which is beneficial for the overall economy. Investment in infrastructure projects. Government allocates funds for infrastructure to improve resource accessibility and reduce costs. The government is investing in infrastructure projects like roads, bridges, and public transportation. This investment is crucial because it makes resources more accessible and reduces costs related to transportation and production. For instance, better roads can mean faster delivery times and lower transportation costs for businesses. This not only helps companies save money but also improves the overall efficiency of the economy. These policies collectively aim to create a more dynamic and equitable economic environment. By supporting startups, protecting workers, and improving infrastructure, the government is laying the groundwork for sustainable growth and development. What do you think about these initiatives? Conclusion and future outlook. Embrace the interconnectedness of production factors for strategic growth. Sustainable management of land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship is essential for long-term growth and environmental health. Future outlook. Land, focus on conservation and ecological value. Labor, emphasize fair wages and skill development. Capital, invest in green technologies and renewable energy. Entrepreneurship, drive sustainable innovation and meet environmental standards. Other factors, leverage technology for efficiency and sustainability. Strategic growth. Integrating these factors ensures resilience, adaptability, and a positive societal impact.